Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Ilham bin Abdul Manaf Makatung. I'm from Fatani Darussalam, Narathiwat, southern part of Thailand, near border Malaysia. I apologize in advance if my English is not good. My project title is Qiblah Zenith. I will try my best to cover everything in 3 minutes. I plan to make a video longer one if you interest more deeper. I will put the link in the comment or the description. Let's see first. Now I will show you my README and my code and my my code first. This is my requirement. Okay. And why I explain you. So as Muslim, we have to pray 5 times a day. While we pray, we need to face to Qiblah. Qiblah is direction to Kaabah. Kaabah is okay. Let's see Kaabah. This Kaabah is located in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. I think of you maybe know about this. Okay, let's see the code. Let's see the code. Okay. Since we stay very far from Kaabah, so we have to do our best to find direction to Kaabah, or what we call Qiblah. In short, there are of the way to find Qiblah. In this program, I will show you how to find Qiblah using the star in the sky. For more detail, you can read me earlier that I showed you earlier, or watch another video in this about this project. Okay, let's run the program. This terminal and enter the location. Okay, work. And this the detail is your your location and the star here. Okay, and also there is the picture of the image. You can see the image here. I'll show you the image. Okay, this one, let's check is it correct or not. Okay, let's go to the zenith of Kaabah first. Here you see location is Makkah. There is the towers here and Al-Ain. The Ain, the here. Okay, correct. Okay, and let's go to the place that we input here in Cambridge in Harvard. Okay, here the location here around something over here, and Andromeda right, and Taurus here. Andromeda and Taurus, and position is 60 degree. Okay, is it correct? You see, and you can see here something around 60 degree, and if more detail you can see in the star. Okay, let's try other location. Actually, you can put your location here directly. No need to wait. Here, you see, this is my location. Okay, this will update real time. Here the chain to my place, and let's check in my place. There is Gemini. There is Gemini here. There is and Gemini here. So we pray first this this direction. Okay, it's correct. So okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you also CS50 for letting me do this project. Okay, alhamdulillah. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.